name is Reggie, Chief Technician and Master Detailer for Mafra, Italy. This is my colleague Ali, and in this video we're going to show you the Regenera Professional Headlight Restoration Kit. In the kit contains everything you need to have to restore the headlight to splendor new, even with a coating that protects it for 24 months. The kit contains a random orbital pressurized polisher, multiple discs with multiple grids to achieve maximum result. We have a little bit of polish for maintenance in between, and an applicator kit and the ceramic coating itself to protect the light for 24 months. In the first stage, we're going to start with 600 grit sanding paper. During the sanding, the grit will get full with plastic. To clean, just use a microfiber towel. Phase 2, P1000, 2000 grit sandpaper. Phase number 3, P2000. Number 4, P4000. Step 5, polish till perfection, using the pad in combination with the polish. Now, of course, we want this result for as long as possible, so Ali here is going to apply the ceramic specialized for headlights, giving 24 months of protection. After the application of the ceramic, wait about 2 minutes before removing the coating from the surface. Ali? Using circular motions, which is very easy to wipe off. Worst case scenario, you do all 6 steps. However, sometimes the headlight doesn't need full sequence, so no starting from 600. It might just be from 1000 or maybe even 2000. So if you want a tip, if you don't know, start low.